Debris, sawdust, residue, and broken tips? Yeah, enough of that. We've got the last pencil you'll ever need. Introducing the Write in the Rain number 99 mechanical pencil. Just like everything else we make, our mechanical pencil is built to write through rough conditions. With a sturdy casing, a bold and durable 1.1mm lead, 6 extra leads, and 2 extra erasers, the 99 will keep you writing. Forget the mess, forget the shavings, and forget the clunky carpenter's pencil. The 99 stands at the top of the heap.